Are you tired of having every Instagram story automatically shared on Facebook? In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple settings adjustments needed to keep your Instagram stories from being shared on Facebook. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then select Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down until you see an option called Guides and Sharing. Once you've found it, tap on it. So now what you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom and you'll see this option. Share Story to Facebook. Simply toggle this off by tapping on this switch over here. And now, when you post Instagram stories, they won't be automatically shared on Facebook. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.